How to get 6 enchantments on helmet in Minecraft. So first you will need an anvil, then place it on the ground. Now you will need of course, your helmet and an enchanted book, which is Thorns 3, Aqua Affinity, Respiration, Mending, Protection, and Unbreaking. Now once you have all those books, you just simply need to right click on your anvil, then just put the thorns first right here. Then put the Aqua Infinity beside it. Then you will get this enchanted book. Once it's done, get your respiration and your mending. Place it right there. Then you will get this book. And lastly, of course, the protection and the unbreaking. When you put it right there, you will get this book right here. Now once it's done, get your helmet. Put it there on the anvil. Then put the first one right here. Now get your helmet again and put it right back there. And put the second book and do it again. Lastly, put the helmet, then put the enchant book right there. Now get the helmet. Now, as you can see, we now have the 6 enchantments on our helmet. Now you could just simply put it on your inventory, open up your survival inventory, then place your helmet to your character. And that's how you basically get 6 enchantments on helmet in Minecraft.